Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I would like to talk about factorization quadratic trinomial in the form of this, where a not equal to 1. Last lesson was a was equal to 1, but now if you get a quadratic which doesn't have the coefficient of a, then not equal to 1. So how you solve this equation? Okay, let's see now. We have this one. So the a is here, the a is 3. So let's take the scissor method. Okay, we put x here and x here. But x has a 3. Put anywhere first. If I put top, it's okay. If I put bottom, it's okay also. So top or bottom, no problem, the first one. But now we are looking for 12. It's not 12 only by 12. Okay, so the 12 will multiply by the 3. Then what will be that? 12 times 3 is 36, right? So you need to get numbers that will give you, and 12 comes 3 times 4 is 12. It's a positive. 2 times 6 is 12. And negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Negative 2 times negative 6, it will be positive 12. 1 times 12, it will be 12 also. And negative 1 times negative 12 will be positive 12. All these will give you 12. But if I add, I'm not saying, because it will multiply by the 3. So what number, if I multiply 3 and I multiply 1, add it, total will give me 12. What do you think? So 3, if I multiply 3, that's a 9. And 1, if I multiply 4, it's a 4. 9 plus 4 is what? Is that 12? 13? Yes. So this is my answer. Where it goes, this is important also. The 3 goes the cross of the coefficient of 3. Otherwise, it will be more than. If I put the 4 here, for example, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. It's not 13. So that is also important because we multiply cross. When I multiply this 2, it's a 9x. Multiply this 2 is a 4x. When I add, the total gives me 13x, which is the middle. That's important. Then now we take up factorization. So we say 3x squared plus 13x plus 12 is equal bracket 3x plus 4 and x plus 3. Okay, let's come to this one. We're doing same step. Okay, so we're using the scissor method. That's what I like. It's easy one. Then I have here 14. 14 can be how many ways? 1 times 14, 2 times 7, and positive and negative, both of them. But is that will give me, okay, I would like to say 2x here and 7x, because this is small. I cannot take 1 times 14. So this is 2 and 7. Okay, so 2 times 7 is 14. Here is a minus. Here will be minus. 5 comes 1 times 5, which is 5, and minus 1 times minus 5, which is 5 also. So which one do you think I can put in the negative one? If I put 5 times 7, what do you think? 5 times 7 is 30, right? 35. But 35 is not gives me this one. So the 5 goes here. Sorry, the 5 goes here as a negative, and the 1 goes here as a negative also. Why I'm doing negative? Because when I add, the middle is a negative. So I'm taking the negative part, not the positive part. I'm taking this one. But if I multiply, both of them will be positive. So 2 times 5 is giving me minus 10x. 1 times 7 minus 7x. When I add, the total is negative 17x, which is the middle coefficient of the middle x. That's what I need. Then take the top together. 2x minus 1 and 7x minus 5. So that is the factorization of this trinomial, quadratic trinomial. In general, you need to look the constant number, the product, how I get, and you put the right side, and you look the coefficient of x squared, and you split in two parts. When you that product gives you that one, and that product also the numbers you take in the as a coefficient must be and help you to get the middle term. So middle term is also the coefficient of middle term of the x is important. So you're looking for the coefficient of the x squared, you're looking for the coefficient of the x, and you're looking for the constant. In general is that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.